Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to take our very first poem from First Flight Bird, that is The Dust of Snow, which is written by Robert Frost. Student, this poem is a very simple poem and it's a short poem also, but symbolically it has a deeper meaning. In this poem it expresses the significance of smaller things which impact our thought process for the future. Here the poet is standing under a hemlock tree and it is snowing. Soon a crow sitting on that tree shooks the tree and its snowflakes fall on the poet. Shooks means shake. ठीक है, shake करना. So this changed the mood and he spent the rest of the day far from being unhappy and sad. ठीक है. इसमें जो पोएट है उसका जो यहाँ पर मूड बताया है वो बहुत सैड बताया है. तो जब वो एक हेमलॉक ट्री मीन्स पॉइजनस ट्री है विथ वाइट स्मॉल फ्लावर्स, तो वो उसके नीचे जब खड़ा होता है अंडर दैट ट्री, तो उस ट्री पे एक क्रो बैठा होता है. ठीक है, और वो सडनली उस ट्री को शेक करता है, तो सारा जो स्नो होता है दैट जस्ट फेल ऑन दी पोएट. सो विच इंस्टेंटली चेंज हिज मूड. ओके, तो वो जो था वो उसके मूड ने उसका मूड जो है वो चेंज हो जाता है. एंड देन ही स्पेंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द डे फार फ्रॉम बीइंग अनहैप्पी एंड सैड. सो लेट अस जस्ट बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Shook, I told you, means shake, and the dust of snow means particles of snow, and hemlock tree is a poisonous tree with small white flowers. So here the poet recounts a small incident that changes his mood. Which changes his mood, and he was feeling depressed and hopeless. Okay. So the situation is not being mentioned here कि why the poet is feeling depressed and hopeless, but his mood was not good and he was feeling depressed and hopeless, and he was standing under a hemlock tree, means a poisonous tree with small white flowers, and suddenly a crow sitting on that tree shooks the tree and snow flakes fell on the poet. So जो snow थी वो poet के ऊपर आ गिरती है, and this changed the thought process of the poet and he spent the rest of the day happily. So children, here alteration is being repeated like the way a crow and the dust of snow, the shook on me and a hemlock tree. So rhyming scheme is A B A B, like the way a crow and the dust of snow and shook down on me from a hemlock tree. So this was the explanation of first stanza. Moving on the second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I ruined. So ruined means held in regret. Okay. So here when the snowflakes fell on the poet, जब बर्फ़ के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े जो हैं पोएट के ऊपर गिरे, दैट सडनली चेंज हिज मूड फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ सैडनेस टू हैप्पीनेस. मीन्स वो दुखी था, तो उस जब बर्फ़ के टुकड़े जब स्नो जो है उसके ऊपर गिरी, तो पोएट का जो है मूड चेंज हो गया फ्रॉम स्टेट ऑफ सैडनेस टू हैप्पीनेस, एंड ही फेल्ट refreshed. Earlier he had been ruining the day, now he started taking an interest in spending it without any tension. So this incident saved the rest of the day from being wasted in disappointment. Same alteration is there, and the rhyming scheme is has given my heart and saved some part. C, and a change of mood of a day I had ruined, and this is D. So C D C D. Okay, so this was the explanation of the poem and it is a short poem. I hope it has been clear to you all.